Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Google Photos backup on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the Photos app to open it. Once the app launches and you can see your photo library, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which is typically a circular image representing your Google account. Go ahead and tap on this profile icon to access your account settings and backup options. After tapping your profile icon, a menu will appear with various account-related options. Look for the option labeled Backup and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the settings related to how Google Photos handles your device's photo and video storage in the cloud. Tapping on Backup is essential as it gives you complete control over whether your media is automatically saved to your Google account. Now you'll see a screen with backup settings. Here you'll find an option that says Backup photos and videos on this device automatically. This is the key setting that determines whether your Pixel automatically uploads your photos and videos to Google Photos cloud storage. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle button that controls this feature. To turn off the automatic backup, simply tap the toggle button. When you do this, the toggle will switch to the off position, which means your photos and videos will no longer be automatically backed up to the cloud. This can be useful if you want to save mobile data or if you prefer to manually choose which photos to upload. Now, if you want to turn the backup back on, just tap the toggle button again. The toggle will switch back to the on position, reactivating the automatic backup feature. With this enabled, all new photos and videos you take on your Pixel will be automatically uploaded to your Google Photos account, ensuring your memories are safely stored and accessible from any device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control your Google Photos backup settings on your Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.